Today, we're going to find the center of a circle. I drew a circle, and I did not mark where the center was. And then I drew two non-parallel chords, chord AB and chord CD. And what I want to do is I want to find the perpendicular bisector of each of these non-parallel chords. So I'm going to take my compass, and I'm going to put my point and I'm going to actually open my compass a little wider for line segment CD. But I'm going to cut arcs above and below my line segment CD. And we've talked about this time and time again. Sometimes I have to do it more than once because I don't really space it correctly. But you can see there, excuse me, my two arcs intersect in points. My 2 points determine a line. And this line is the perpendicular bisector of line segment CD. And hopefully I can line up my points pretty accurately and draw a line that goes through those 2 points. So line 1 is the perpendicular bisector for chord CD. Now I want to do a perpendicular bisector for chord AB. I can leave my compass at the same measurement, or I could make it a little bit smaller. Doesn't matter as long as I cut arcs above and below, starting at point A, and then I'm going to cut arcs above and below, starting at point B. Again, we know these arcs intersect, and that one moved just a tiny bit on me. We'll see, maybe not much. These two new points will give me a second line because 2 points determine a line. And so if I connect these points, trying to go through the points with line 2, we know that line 2 is a perpendicular bisector for line segment or chord AB. Now, the center O, right here, O, is where the two perpendicular bisectors intersect. And if I have done this correctly, then from O to C, or O to B, or O to A, or O to D should give me a radius. So I'm just going to choose one. I'm going to try to measure from O to B. So I'm going to open my compass out till I get to point B. And that gives me a point on the circle. That also should give me a point on the circle at C, a point on the circle at B, and a point on the circle at A. So that shows you that O is the center of my circle. Try that for yourself.